Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. After breakfast every day we keep wondering what has to be done for lunch. So in today's video, let's cook together a very interesting and quick instant variety rice or fried rice recipe made with soya chunks or meal maker, which is not only easy but delicious too. Let's get started. For this recipe, I am taking 1 cup soya chunks. So first we have to cook this. For that, let's take a pan and add some water and bring it to a boil on medium flame. Once water gets rolling boil like this, drop soya chunks and mix once and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After adding soya, let's also add half teaspoon salt and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that they have cooked very well and soaked all the water. Turn off the flame. Now let's go ahead and drain it in a colander, or you can do as how I am doing it right now. Now wash the cooked soya chunks with fresh water once. Remember, the soya chunks will be really hot at this point, so please do not try to squeeze them now. Now after 2 minutes, when soya is cooled down, let's squeeze it to remove excess water from it, as we need our soya to be dry for our next step. As you all know, you can get the ingredient list on the description box down below this video too. Also, if you are new here, please do consider to subscribe to my channel to learn more such recipes with all the tips, and also please click on the bell button to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. Now our soya chunks are ready. Let's cut the soya chunks in half or into 4 pieces as I have done. We are doing this because it's easy to marinate it this way. To this, let's add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt half teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, and let's go ahead and mix it very well and allow it to get marinated for 30 minutes. I have taken 1 cup basmati rice and soaked it for 30 minutes, and I have cooked and cooled the rice. If you have leftover rice, you can use that too for this recipe. Always when you cook fried rice, remember that the rice should be grainy and not sticking to each other as how it is shown in the video. Let's keep this aside. If you want to know how to cook rice for fried rice recipes, please check my egg fried rice recipe. I'll add the link for that in the description box down below this video. Now let's chop and keep all the veggies required for this soya rice. As you can see, I have taken cabbage, green and orange capsicum or bell pepper, carrot, onion and some spring onion greens to garnish. Keep everything ready before you start making the fried rice. Let's cook soya chunks now. Keep a small non-stick pan or kadai and add 3 tablespoon oil. Heat it on medium flame. Now let's add marinated soya chunks and cook on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes until you see they are cooked. Once you see they are fried and changes color as you see in the video, let's turn off the flame and transfer it in a small bowl. Always when you make fried rice, take a wok or a wide non-stick pan as you see in the video. Also, please do not crowd the pan more than half. Now let's heat the pan on medium flame and add 2 tablespoon oil. I am using regular cooking oil here. To this pan, let's add chopped garlic. After few seconds, add chopped onion. Let's increase the flame to medium high. All the cooking for fried rice has to be done in medium high flame. If you have spring onion whites, please do add them right now. Please check the description box down below for the exact measurement of all these veggies. After onion turns transparent, let's add chopped carrot. Let's saute the carrot for some time. Remember, all the veggies in fried rice has to be crunchy and cooked. Let's add green and orange bell pepper right now. After few minutes, let's add cabbage. Saute for few seconds and add green chili. Let's saute everything for few seconds again, after which let's add our cooked soya chunks. Mix everything well. Now for the flavoring ingredients, let's add vinegar. I'm adding chili garlic sauce here. If you don't have chili garlic sauce, you can replace it with chili sauce too. Mix everything well. Now let's add our cooked rice. Always add soya sauce on the rice. Add pepper powder and salt. Remember, we have salt in soya sauce, chili sauce and in soya chunks too. So please add only half teaspoon salt. After adding all this, let's gently mix by folding the veggie and the rice as you see in the video. It is very important to do it slowly by folding to make sure that the rice does not break. Remember, all this process has to be done real quick so that the rice and other ingredients does not get burnt. When all the rice is nicely mixed, like you don't see any white grains, our soya rice is all ready. Let's add chopped spring onion greens and serve it hot. This is really a quick and instant rice recipe, and it is a complete meal by itself. The fried soya chunks along with the veggies and the sauce gives it a really unique taste. Make this new fried rice recipe and enjoy with your family. Please do consider subscribing to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy recipes, and also please like my Facebook page Mano Cooks. Thanks a lot for watching.